Hello there, welcome Gents Models, my name is Bo Warden and welcome to a product review. We're going to be reviewing some RP Toolz, right? RP Toolz, it's a nice Hungarian company and they do some really high quality tools, and we're going to be looking at today is the punching die sets. Now I think I've got all their sets just here. We've got sort of like normal sort of punching die sets, both the big and the smaller version, these two just here. We even have the hexagonal punching die set, so probably going to be a good one for you armor guys out there, as well as a rivet maker set as well, which is quite cool for us aircraft guys. They do sell these trays as well. They are separately, sadly. I mean, we don't sort of get these in the box, and basically these catch the little bits. Technically you don't need them, they're just a little accessory upgrade. So let's just look at sort of like a normal, we'll look at their big punch and die set and show you what they're all about, which is where they come with their quality. I mean, this is, you know, pretty nice heavy steel. You do get a hammer to hammer through, nice little, you know, pretty sturdy, durable hammer, as well as where we punch our dies through. So this here is a bit like photo etch, where you would say get a bit of plastic card and we would sort of push this in here like so, and then we'd lock it down so it doesn't move, and then you get these are the cool thing, right? We have all of these in here looking really nice. You know, it's basically where you hammer through. Yeah, and it even says, you know, like nicely, I'll bring you in a bit closer, it even says nicely, you know, this is like a 2.6 mil, so you find the 2.6 mil hole. Let's just put a bit of plastic card in there just to quickly sort of show you, and that should fit in there really nice and snug, perfectly in there. Get your hammer, bang it through, and then we have ourselves a nice circle bit of plastic card, which we could do all sorts. This is the thing with this kind of thing, I mean, we can do all sorts with this. Cockpits, buttons, rivets on aircraft, on armored vehicles. You know, the where's the hexagonal one gone again? The hexagonal one, you know, it's basically the same as what I've just shown you. It's simple, but it's quite a high quality set, right? In the hexagonal ones, right, I mean, basically it just does an hexagonal shape, as you can just see just there. Just to quickly sort of show you as well, these little add-ons, right, is basically a nice little tray in which we place our tool in there. Maybe get a bit of plastic card. Right, what's this one? This one is a 1.5, so let's look for the 1.5, and then we can just place that in there, hammer it through. Little bit of a tip, I mean, I know they've got these to sort of clamp it down, but if you want lots, right, sometimes it does take a bit to pull out, but if you want lots, I tend to not actually push it down too much, as long as it has a bit of bite but you can still move it. It just means that we're not constantly locking this down, screwing it down. Little tap there. You will find that with the fin of the plastic card, you know, it only takes a little bit of a tap to knock them through. But as you can see, we now have some nice hexagonal bits of plastic card. Absolutely going to be brilliant for you armor guys out there. Just to sort of let you know, I mean, you don't really need to use like big thick plastic card, but just to show you, I've got like a 2 mil here, which is really sort of more than enough for any of your sort of punch and die set going on there. So I'll just get one of these. Crikey, it can stick a little bit. Just to show you, we can get one of our biggest ones here. What's this? This is a 4 mil. Right, get this 4 mil ready. I'll just show you, it does hammer through. It does take a little bit more hammering, right, the thicker the plastic card, right, and I don't know how thick you can actually go with these, but this 2 mil, right, I mean, I've never, sorry, let's get this bang through. It does take a bit of a bang, as you can just hear there, and maybe a little bit more just to get there, and there we go. Got a nice big 2 mil piece of plastic card cut out there, all nice and neatly. Yeah, I don't know how big you can go, but to be honest with you, I mean, really 2mm thick is probably way more than we need for the kind of things that we're going to be doing here. So I'm not going to worry too much about that. Now, as you can see, I mean, yeah, it is rather nice, high quality. Just to sort of show you, they do the normal punching die set, which is just all about the sizes really. Let's get myself a bit organized here. Normal punching die set, I mean, you go from 2mm to 4.5mm. The normal one is 0.5mm to 2mm, so some really nice small sizes that you can get there. The hexagonal is 0.7mm to 2mm. Right, I really do like this one. Love it for armored vehicles. And the rivets are 0.6mm all the way up to 2mm. The rivet one is quite a cool one because, you know, as I say, I mean, if you've got any raised rivets on aircraft that you end up sort of sanding away those rivets that have been removed, there are ways of going about it. Yes, you can buy the decal versions and sort of decal your rivets back on, right? But you could also make it with a punch and die set. So now we come to the price. Now the price is probably the biggest down part of this. I mean, I think we'd all love to have this in our collection, but you are talking, depending on which one you go for, between about 70 to 90 pounds. Yes, rather expensive, but high quality, will last you probably a lifetime, right? They're not going to break on you or anything like that, and they're really going to be good for you scratch building guys out there. But yes, rather expensive, but you know, I do think they are worth it if you're really into the hobby and, you know, you love doing some scratch building. You know, they are worth it if you are sort of like one of those, you know, really into it like I am. So yes, all in all, a big thumbs up, and hopefully you like it. If you want to get your hands on them, I do believe they don't sell them on their website, their RP Toolz website, but there's loads of wholesalers, sorry, not wholesalers, but suppliers out there. You'll have to do a bit of searching, a bit of Googling. I think in the UK, Scale Models, Scale Model Mates or something.com sell them. Have a little bit of a look around. I don't know how available they are in the US. They are sort of like a niche sort of product. Not many of us go out and buy them, but they are worth it if you are into this kind of stuff. And so you have it. There is the RP Toolz nice punch and die set. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, but as always, until next time, my name's Bobby Waldron, this is James Smalls, and I'll catch you in the next video.